When executing a report by clicking on the name of the report, you may want to change the view of the report this time that you run it. To do that, you can select additional filters when your filter window appears that will allow you to include and/or exclude certain data from this execution. So, in addition to the prompted filters that I can view and change, in this case company code, I can come over to my category lists and select additional filters. For this example, I am going to select my active tag filter, and I'm going to say that I want to see my delinquent contracts that are not currently tagged out for repo. In order to do that, then, I just brought my active tag filter over by highlighting the data field and dragging it over. I could have also double-clicked on it or highlighted active tag and clicked add. Then I'm going to come over to my operator and change that to say does not contain, because I want to exclude out for repo. So I'm going to say does not contain OFR, which is our out for repo tag. Now you can also use your drop arrow over here to get a list of tags that may be in your system, but just know that this does not include every tag. It just gives you a possible list of what you may have in your system. So I went ahead and just typed in OFR, and maybe I only want to see delinquent contracts that are not currently out for repo for lot number 3. So I can scroll down and find that data field and use that as a filter as well to further customize the view this time I run the report. So I found my lot, and again, I can double click, I could highlight and click add, or I can simply drag that over to my list. And then I'm just going to say equal to, and I'll select lot number 3. Once I have all the filters that I've wanted to add, I can go ahead and click OK. And the system will now execute this version of my report. The main report, the initial report, has not been altered, only this view. So I can view this. I could export this into Excel if I want to, or I can simply view my results, print them if necessary by going down to the bottom right corner, printing them. I could save this to a PDF printer on my hard drive, or I can just view results and then click close report. But that is how you add additional filters at runtime to a report.